Alright everybody, so I was printing rings for Mount Pisgah and we had a power outage. Check this out though. Power it off, power it back on. I do want to resume the print. And let's watch it work. Of course there is a pause while she heats up. And bingo, we are back in motion. And friends, there you have it. Awesome counting rings. Gotta love the adhesion. Even though mid-print there was a fail, bingo, rings are ready for Mount Pisgah. Once again, the Swappable SB06 is absolutely crushing it.
The MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer is the best 3D printer for education and is already used by educators in over 7,000 schools. The Replicator Plus offers students and teachers the simplest setup experience and easy-to-use software with no tinkering required. It also includes the Smart Extruder Plus and a range of user-friendly features. A few of those include an LCD display, an onboard camera, as well as USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connections. Elevate STEM learning in the classroom and get started today with the Replicator Plus. Visit MakerBot.com/Replicator Plus to learn more. This is the Dremel 3D45 3D Printer Kit, an excellent choice for precision and ease of use. Firstly, its heated removable glass build plate and all-metal nozzle allow high-quality prints with various materials. Next, the 5-inch full-color touchscreen provides an intuitive interface for quick setup and operation. Additionally, the fully enclosed design enhances safety and reduces warping, while built-in carbon and particulate filters improve air quality. Finally, its compatibility with Windows and Mac OS makes it a versatile option for professionals and educators alike. A reliable printer for high-quality 3D creations. This is the Dremel 3D45 EDU, a top choice for educators and professionals. Firstly, it includes 30 lesson plans and professional development resources, making it ideal for classrooms. Next, its advanced capabilities support multiple filaments like Eco-ABS, nylon, and PETG, ensuring versatile printing. Additionally, the automated 9-point leveling system and RFID filament detection enhance precision and ease of use. Moreover, the built-in camera allows remote monitoring for added convenience. Finally, its durable, fully enclosed design ensures safety and reliability, a great tool for learning and innovation.